my name is Joanna Capicelli, and welcome to this month's PD, Jazzing Up Your Slides Presentations, Part 2. This video will extend on the basic slides features and additions discussed in Part 1 by showing step-by-step demos of how to implement each feature. In this slide, I want to change the original position of the snake to be facing towards the elephant. In order to do this, I'll select the image, click Rotate, and flip horizontally. To crop an image, select the image, and then right-click and choose Crop Image. You can also choose the cropping icon in the toolbar as well. A gray outline will appear around the image. Drag this gray line to crop the portion of the image you'd like to emphasize. Once you're finished, use the blue lines to resize and format the new image as usual. To find a book without a background embedded in its image, I'm going to search for a transparent image by selecting on Tools, drop down from Color, Transparent. Google also gives me some options for the type of book I can insert, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the closed book option. When you select the image, you may see a gray and white checkered background. This usually indicates that it's a transparent image. So go ahead and copy the image, and you can either insert it directly through the Insert tab, or you can just paste it and then resize it that way. To find high-resolution images, go to Tools, Size, and choose Large. If you want images that are even larger, go to Advanced Search under Settings. Once you're in Advanced Search, scroll down and in the category that says Image Size, go to Larger Than, and you can specify the exact measurements you'd like. If you hover over the images, you'll be able to see the measurements you specified in the bottom left corner. Once you've decided on an image, copy it and paste it to your slide. After you've typed the image in the search engine you'd like to find, select Tools, Transparent Images, and then choose GIF for the type of image. Once you've selected the image that you'd like to use on your slide, you can copy the image address and then insert that directly into the slide. To do this, you'll select Insert, Image, by URL, paste your URL link here, and insert. Once the image is inserted, you can adjust it to fit your slide better. Now I want to reposition this GIF so it appears to be in the backdrop of this scene. The way to do this is to bring these characters to the front. Select Order, Bring to Front for each character. Inserting a GIF this way is usually the fastest way, but sometimes the links you copy may not work. When this happens, you may need to save the GIF locally. You can do this by right-clicking on the image, selecting Save Image As. Just make sure that the format isn't a GIF image format. Back on your slide, you'll select Insert Image, this time Upload from Computer, select your file, and insert it that way. Then go ahead and do the same thing and format the images in a way that fits best with your slide. I'm going to include a link to a sound effect in the image of the ear. First, I need to copy the website address where I found the sound effect. To link it to the image, make sure the image is selected and then go to Insert, Link, paste your URL link there, and apply. Another way to do this is by simply clicking on the link icon on the toolbar and pasting and applying the link the same way. Once you've included the link and you decide you no longer want it, you can remove it by selecting the icon on the far right. You can also add links to text in the same way. Just make sure you select the text box and then highlight all the text where you'd like to insert a link. First, you'll need to save your audio file to Google Drive. Then go to Insert, Audio, and select the audio file that you'd like to use. An audio icon will appear that you can then resize and format by clicking Format Options. You can then choose to have the audio play on click or automatically when you transition to the slide that contains the audio. You also have the option to hide the icon when presenting, loop the audio, and stop the audio from playing when the slide changes. To insert a video, first go to Insert, Video. You can either search for a YouTube link, paste your own URL link, or upload your own video from Google Drive. I've decided to look for a video through the YouTube search function. Once you've found the one you want, simply choose that video and click Select. Once the video appears on your slide, you'll have the option to resize it just like any other image. Just like the audio feature, you also have some formatting options with your video. Click on Video Playback and you can indicate the specific time that you would like the video to start and end. You can also click Autoplay when presenting if you'd like the video to play automatically when you transition to that slide. To include animations, select Insert, Animation, and the Animation toolbar will pop up. First, select the image you want to animate. So the image I want to animate first is the box that says "Where is they?" So once I select this, I'll have some options here with movement and order. I'm going to have this fly in from the right on click. After this appears, I would like the word "they" to drop down into the bucket. So I'm going to select that box, click Add Animation, choose the movement option, fly in from the top, and also on click. Before I finalize this animation, I can test what it'll look like by clicking play at the bottom of the toolbar, and then a quick demo will appear of what the whole animation will look like. Now, I want to animate the speech bubbles in the gray circle behind the shoes, but this time I'll use both the appear and disappear functions. I'm going to select the Good Idea speech bubble and also make that appear on click. For the speech bubble that says "these," I also want it to appear on click, but this time I want the Good Idea speech bubble to disappear so that both these speech bubbles aren't on the presentation at the same time. To do this, I'll select the Good Idea speech bubble again to create another animation, but this time choose Disappear with Previous. With Previous refers to the animation just before it. For the gray circle, I'd like it to appear when the speech bubble that says "these" appears, so I'll select Appear and With Previous because this time With Previous refers to that speech bubble. Finally, I'll test the animation to make sure everything occurs the way I'd like it to. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and thank you for watching!